Today our topic is CWDM DWDM difference. CWDM wavelength spacing is 20 nanometer. DWDM wavelength spacing is 0.8, 0.4 nanometer. CWDM supports 18 channels. DWDM supports 40, 80, 96 or many more channels. CWDM transmission distance is 70 km and there is not amplification. DWDM supports thousands of kilometers because there is process of re-amplification. CWDM is less expensive than DWDM. DWDM is expensive. CWDM used in metropolitan area network or for short distance. DWDM is for long haul networks, submarine networks. CWDM uses uncooled lasers. DWDM uses cooled lasers. Yeah. अब HDH DWDM difference. HDH multiplexing process is division multiplexing. DWDM multiplexing process is wavelength division multiplexing. CWDM is fixed bit rates. DWDM supports high bit data transmission rates with increased bandwidth. CWDM supports backbone networks. DWDM supports data centers, telecom networks, long haul transmission. CWDM transmits digital signals over fiber. DWDM increases bandwidth of fiber. DWDM function is technology that increases capacity of fiber. Focus DWDM focus on a fiber, making more data on single fiber. Limitation DWDM limitation. Point-to-point system transmit data between two specific points and lacks flexibility for dynamic switching. DWDM means increasing bandwidth on single fiber by multiple channels, but OTN is some advanced version of DWDM. It means it supports flexibility, grooming, protection, network management. इस OTN जो है प्रोटेक्शन को फैसिलिटी को सपोर्ट करता है, नेटवर्क मैनेजमेंट को भी सपोर्ट करता है, फॉल्ट आइडेंटिफिकेशन भी ईजी होता है. OTN offers flexible service, grooming, switching, routing of signal at electrical levels, robust network management and protection mechanisms, making it suitable for complex and dynamic network environments. Network management DWDM is limited to monitor optical layer with minimal troubleshooting methods and high maintenance difficulty. In contrast, OTN inherits DWDM's large capacity transmissions and adds flexible optoelectronic joint scheduling and protection capabilities. DWDM में लेजर्स कूल्ड लेजर्स होते हैं, जबकि CWDM में अनकूल्ड लेजर्स हैं. CWDM का एडवांटेज है कि थोड़ा कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव है, लेस एक्सपेंसिव है DWDM के कंपेरिजन. जब हमारे पास लिमिटेड यूज हो तो CWDM यूज करना चाहिए. थैंक यू.